Our journey began with a single sheet of paper and a few ideas. Starting from concept to design, then prototyping, launch, and handover, our experienced team manifested our idea into reality. Primo Trailer proudly introduces the Land Force One Teardrop Camper.
All started with a single sheet of paper, and here we go. Dual solar panel. As you can see, this one solar in the front and the solar in the back. We have a toolbox in the front. The toolbox is mainly to maintain all the gas tank. So when we open the door, we have that one here. Fly screen, also with it as well. As we go along, we have window here on both sides. We move along here, we have the water tank, and then we have the electrical plug also here as well. Don't forget also we have the awning. This is fully retractable awning. If we go along here, we have the rear, and here we have the sink. It's a stainless steel sink. We have the gas, full speakers in the back. The beautiful thing is we have a speaker inside of Land Force, and we have speakers outside also as well. If we keep along, so we have a water tank, but also the water tank can be heated, can be also taken a shower. So if we look inside, just to show you all our electrical panel, this will indicate your water temperature, lighting, the charges, how much percentage wise. We have fully radio equipped from the top, CD players, Bluetooth connection. So this is fully equipped for adventure. Small home, camping you go with your family and enjoy it.
The production of the Land Force One Teardrop Camper is only one illustration of our innovative design and manufacturing abilities. Primo Trailer has tested and proven our capability to dream big and turn ideas into reality, and we're only beginning. Get in touch with us today to learn more.